How to cancel the order in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel the order in Foodpanda. First, launch the Foodpanda app on your phone. Now, select your location on the map to recommend you nearby restaurants. To start ordering, choose any of your favorite restaurants on the home page. After that, select any of the items you want to order and add it to your cart. By adding to your cart, you can view the cart by tapping on it. Place your order by confirming your address and then choose the payment method. Then confirm to place your order. If you want to cancel the order, navigate to the cancellation refund policy in the Help Center. Later, cancel your order by following the on-screen instructions. You will receive a full refund if you cancel your order before it's accepted within 5 minutes. You're not eligible for a refund if you cancel an order after it's accepted. Excessive cancellation may automatically prevent you from placing orders in the future. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.